Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal money transfer issues. First, always confirm you have sufficient funds in your account or linked payment method. Double-check the recipient's details, like their email or phone number, to ensure accuracy. Also, quickly check PayPal's official status page for any widespread service interruptions. Sometimes, a simple browser cache clear or a stable internet connection can resolve minor glitches. Next, account verification is crucial. Unverified accounts typically face lower transfer limits, sometimes as low as $500 annually for sending. To increase these limits, link and confirm a bank account or a debit or credit card. PayPal may also request additional identity documents for full verification. A fully verified account can transfer up to $60,000 in a single transaction, though some caps may apply. Your payment method can also be a source of issues. Ensure all linked debit and credit card details, like expiration dates and billing addresses, are current. If one payment method fails, try an alternative linked bank account or card. PayPal may also initiate security checks to confirm your identity. Complete these promptly. If your bank or card issuer decline the transaction, contact them directly for more information. Finally, if you've tried these steps and still face issues, it's time to contact PayPal support. Start by checking their comprehensive help center for solutions to common problems. For more complex issues, reach out via phone or live chat. Have your account details and transaction information ready to expedite the process. Live chat and phone support are typically available during business hours, often from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.